Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner convertible. Beautiful car, guys. It's gone through a recent rotisserie restoration. The bottom of this car is as nice as the top. Just a stunning car. These are very rare Roadrunner convertibles. I'll get the production numbers on it. I'm sorry, I forgot to look it up before we did the video here. But they're rare in itself. The fact that this is a bucket seat console car is also very rare, because you know about 90% of these things were bench seat with a column shift. But beautiful car. It is a matching numbers 3-3 car. Factory Y2 Sunfire yellow. I apologize, it's kind of spitting rain right now, or a little mist. But we've got a ton of cars to shoot, so I told the boys we're just going to pull them out here and shoot them. But great car. Again, it's had a rotisserie restoration, so the bottom of the car is body color like the top. True Roadrunner, original RM bin, and very, very nice. There's not a whole lot to really pick on the car, guys. Again, sorry about the little, sprinkles of rain, but weatherman keeps saying it's going to be out of the area, and it just kind of keeps spitting away. It's got the black performance hood striping. Just a quality car, guys. Like I say, you can crawl all over this thing. This car is beautiful. Chrome and stainless on the car is very nice. I noticed a couple marks in the windshield from the wipers. And again, that bucket seats and console is very rare in these cars. Again, original Y2 yellow. Paint on the car is very nice. New tail light bezels. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's just little water droplets. Sorry, guys. Unfortunately, it's kind of, like I say, it's been just raining here for 2 days. Brand new BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. Brand new 15-inch Magnums. Great car. Again, does have the matching numbers, 33 cubic inch engine. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the Mopar radiator. It's got power steering, manual brakes. It's got the old style Mopar battery in it. Detailed up very nice underneath the hood. There's not a whole lot, like I say, guys, to really pick at on this car. This car is very, very nice. Got the original broadcast sheet and owner's manuals for the car in the trunk. A-pillar chrome's very nice. It's just little water droplets on it. You can see how nice that is. Stainless is nice. Original mirrors. I'm going to say those are original door handles. There's a couple little marks on them. It's got the black vinyl interior. New carpet, new sill plates. Again, it's got the bucket seats, console. Looks like it's got all the original seat belts in it. Even the little interior lights all work on this car. It's a power top. A little split there in the steering wheel. Factory dash. You can see the gauges are really nice. 90,000 original miles. Stock AM FM radio, and it does work. I wanted you to see this. This is just little water droplets, guys. Sorry. Jay's pulling it around, just splashed up on it. It's all body color here in the trunk like it should be. It's got the factory jack with a spare. There's your broadcast sheet with the owner's manual. And this is all body color in here like it should be. Look how nice this thing is underneath. That's just a, you know, like a marking on the rear end, how they, you know, marked them when they're coming down the line. You can see the floors are all body color. Brand new dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 rear end. Jim's pulled the boot off. We'll put that top up when we shoot the video. I'm sorry. After we start the car, we're shooting the video right now. Dash is nice. Very nice car. That Jay started up. Again, looks like a door handles are original. A-pillar chrome is very nice. It's good running 383, guys. Good looking car. I like the hood stripes on these cars. This is a good looking body style. Gauges are working. Oh, that's bouncing around. Fuel gauge does work though. Temperature gauge works. You can hear the AM FM radio working. Sorry guys, got the original Mopar material on it. It's got the glass rear window. You can see the top's in excellent shape. Again, radio works. Blower motor, Jay? Yep. Blower motor does work, guys. What's that? Yeah, AM, FM, yep. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. We have a brand new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is an outstanding car. Have a great day, guys.